Alright, we're at Taipei Taoyuan International Airport. You can get a view out there into the runways over there. Look at all these flights right there. As you see, this one, this is the flight that we're taking. In other words, this right here is our flight. As you see right there. And there is one coming in the back. But now, check this out. We got a little bitty Mitsubishi elevator. Look how small and tiny this is. One of the smallest elevator I've ever ridden. And also something else that is rare that I don't get to see every day. There's Big Brother watching. I love that chime. Opens on that side.
Door opening.
Let's go outside and ring the bell. Let's go to 3. Check this out. It's got the old bumper. Listen to this motor. This is a Mitsubishi Hydro. Wow, I never ridden a Mitsubishi hydraulic elevator before. This is very, very rare in Asia. VF86 Mo and Otis elevator 9439 has filmed this. Look in the mirror. Hi. Love the motor on this. Let's go. It's 3. Wow, my very first hydraulic elevator in Asia. Alright, let's watch it close. There it goes. That was a great find. Alright, I guess that is going to be it.